First, check whether the accessories of the air conditioner are complete. Open the air conditioner box and carefully take out the air conditioner. Unscrew the screws on the cover. Open the top cover of the evaporator. Put the air conditioner on the roof. Apply sealant around the opening hole. Align the air conditioner with the opening hole. Close the cover and tighten the screws. Install the mounting bracket. Tighten the bolts. Connect the wiring harness. Turn on the power. And test whether the air conditioner works. Install the air outlet.